Mari mo gikuha sa Ilongos. BE na hydronics water system.
Water softener.
Oh, water softener. Oh.
You want me to call the
Arabog ata.
store?
Pila ka kilo kada? 100 or 100 kilos.
150 kilos. Apil ko.
Oh.
We won't know if it's working until it's.
Yeah,
It's
she
working.
said, Mom, can you please, she said, open it and I will instruct you. So you
okay.
will be the one.
No, well,
Lay the tennis?
it's for semi-snake.
Kuan kanang water pump.
Fine.
Oh.
Pero na yan pa, submersible nga.
Oh, submersible pump.
Submersible lab, no?
Yeah,
Is this submersible?
yeah.
Okay.
Dunat na lang.
Submersible pump. And is this?
Booster.
This is a
Booster.
booster pump.
Booster pump.
Unsa na? Painit.
This is the vertical adapter.
Sige, delete naman eh.
Na lang.
Delete.
You already saw it.
Oh.
And this is the
Okay, report. Higda, day.
Pro.
Ang kani kay maora ni.
Mao ni pahigda.
Booster pump.
Booster pump. How much na yan? How much?
15 billion. And I think that's 20. And I've got 5,000 worth of bits and pieces.
Ang kani kay 37, ang kani 32.
Kana 37.
Oh, kani apel na to mga gagmay.
Apil rin mga gamit. Very,
Dito, 850.
very expensive. Okay. Close na, close.